Hi, I'm Dan from Hunt Haul. Just wanted to show you, well, the Hunt Haul pack, what comes with it, how it works, and I look forward to seeing some cool videos and stuff that you guys get to do with it. First up, you've got the backpack. It's a custom pack that comes with the Hunt Haul itself. If you've already got your own favorite hunting pack, a lot of us do, you can just strap this to that backpack with the molly straps, or of course you can use the backpack straps that come with it. In the front, you should find a few things like a couple of stickers, some details of how to get in touch with me. The QR code will get you through to this instruction video and a little tool to put it all together. Here we have the pieces involved: the aluminum bumper, the bright orange harness, some more orange straps, the sled itself, and a little hardware kit. All this comes together to make your own Huntmate hunting game sled. You can do is you'll notice that all the parts have a number on them, which is great. 1 through 7. There we go. If you want to take piece number 2 to start with, this material is awesome. It's so both robust and flexible all at the same time. It's made to be indestructible. It's one of the reasons why I give a lifetime warranty with it. So first section's done. You'll find from here goes a whole lot quicker and easier. So you've got your straps in. They're great. They allow you to either wrap it up around an animal or leave it flat and tie other things on, like you might have seen I did with a whole bunch of equipment. Great device to help you haul out your kill or go in to set up your equipment. Super heavy duty. This stuff will not break. It's abrasion resistant, acid resistant, cold resistant, heat resistant, high density polyethylene. It's made in the USA. We're a small US based company, and hit us up when you have questions. Love to hear how you use it. Let us know how you go.